And I think that's where you're kind of talking about the differences in different practices. I think typically in the US, we're not using AC-THP anymore. We're using more of a TCHP regimen and anthracycline-free backbone. So I think, you know, we could get into more detail there about how does it compare to our current standard of care. But regardless, that was what they used in the trial as the standard of care arm. And then they had a arm of TDXD for 4 cycles, followed by THP for 4 cycles. And then the third arm was actually TDXD for 8 cycles. Right. And that arm was discontinued early because of the low PCR rate. I believe that PCR rate was around 43.
40s, yeah.
Which, you know, in one way you could look at it as still a pretty remarkable PCR rate for just getting an antibody drug conjugate.
Yeah.
But we know that with our chemo, HER2-directed therapy combinations, our PCR rates are typically higher than that. So I believe that's why it was discontinued early.
So